By learning just 10 tiny building blocks, you can instantly recognize or guess the meaning of hundreds of Chinese characters. That's the power of radicals. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll see Chinese characters in a whole new way. Let's dive in. Remember this, most characters are a combo of a radical that gives you the meaning, and another part that often hints at the sound. Today we are focusing on the meaning. Number 1, 人, person. On the left, it becomes 人, your biggest clue for anything people related. 你, you. 他, he. 休, rest, a person leaning against a tree. 做, do. If you see 人, think people. Radical 2, 水 is the liquid form of 水, water. 河, river. 海, sea. 洗, wash. 泳, swim. If you see 3 dots, get ready to get wet. Number 3 is 口, mouth or opening. It's all about what goes in or comes out. 吃, eat. 喝, drink. 叫, call. 问, ask. If you spot the square, think food, sound, or speech. 手, hand. 手 is the hand radical from 手. Any action you do with your hands probably has this. 打, hit. 拿, take. 找, look for. 推, push. 手 on the left equals hand action required. 女 means woman. You'll see this in so many family words and even some surprising places. 妈, mom. 姐, older sister. 妹, younger sister. 好, good. 女 often means it's related to women, or in the case of 好, something positive. 木 means wood or tree. It's your go-to for nature and things made from it. 树 tree. 椅 chair. 森 forest. 桌 table. Wood, trees, products from nature, it's all 木. 心 means heart, but watch out. It often stands on its side like this. 心. This radical is all about what's in your heart and mind. 想 think. 怕 to be afraid. 忙 busy. 情 feeling. If you see 心 or 心, you are dealing with feelings or thoughts. 火 means fire and its alter ego, 火. It's almost always hiding at the bottom of characters, bringing the heat. 热 hot. 烧 burn. 煮 cook. 煎 fry. Fire below, this character is probably hot, cooked, or explosive. 绰 walk, step. This is a sneaky one. Meet 错, the walk radical. It often wraps around the bottom of a character and tells you about movement. 这, this. To get to this, you walk here. 过, pass. 道, road. 运, transport. The walking path. If you see this, think movement or distance. 言, speech. Our final powerhouse radical. 言 is the simplified form of 言, meaning speech. This is your clue for all things language or communication. 说, speak. 话, words. 认, recognize. 谢, thank. If you see 言 on the left, it's time to talk. Alright, that's 10 radicals. Let's do a quick review before the quiz. 人, person. 水 is the liquid form of 水, water. Number 3 is 口, mouth or opening. 手, hand. 手 is the hand radical from 手. 女 means woman. 木 means wood or tree. It's your go-to for nature and things made from it. 心 means heart, but watch out. It often stands on its side like this. 心. 火 means fire and its alter ego, 火. 错, walk, step. 言, speech. Think you got it? Let's test your new skills. I'll show you a character. You guess the meaning based on the radical. Pause if you need more time. 泳, swim, water radical, 水. 怕, to be afraid, heart radical, 心. 姐, older sister, woman radical, 女. 认, to recognize, speech radical, 言. 烧, burn, fire radical, 火. Amazing, you just unlocked a massive shortcut to learning Chinese. Your brain is now wired to see these patterns everywhere. To make it stick, I created a free PDF with all 10 radicals, examples, and practice worksheets. The link is in the description below. Let me know in the comments which radical is your favorite. And if this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more ways to learn Chinese faster and smarter. Thanks for watching. 好了，我是 Angel，我们下次见。